Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to apply if-else condition in Power BI. So if-else condition or case statement is purely based on the conditions. Okay, based on the conditions you can write if-else or case statement. So it is possible to write a code in Java and Python, and we can also write a case statement in SQL Server. But in this demo, I will show how to apply this if-else condition in Power BI. Okay, so here CSV file, so which contains 10 rows. This is the emp.csv. You can see employee data. So ID, name, age, gender, department, salary, and location. Now I am applying my conditions on the salary column. So what type of conditions here? Salary is less than or equal to 60,000. I am considering this as low performance. These employees I am considering a low performance. Salary is greater than or equal to 70,000. High performance. Okay. In between 60 and 70, I am considering as a average performance. This is the conditions. So based on these conditions, so I will show how to generate a report in the Power BI. So before that, I will show how to write a case statement in SQL servers. Okay, the same table in the SQL server. So here I am writing case statement. Select star comma case when your column name sal less than or equal to 60,000. Then I am taking it as a low performance. When salary is greater than or equal to 70,000, then high performance. Else average performance. And as, so I'm giving some alias column name performance comments from my table name em. So this is how you need to write a case statement in SQL. Okay, you can check the salary 55,000 in low performance. So 58,000 also low performance. 72,000 if it is greater than 70,000 we consider the high performance. In between 60 and 70 average performance. Okay. So now I can see how to use this if else condition logic in the Power BI. So I already loaded the data into Power BI. So first I'm transforming data. Okay, once after loading, just click on the transform data and click on transform data again. So Power Query editor window is getting opened. Okay, these are the columns. Okay, you can see these are the columns. Now from this window I am adding one more column. Go to add column and here conditional column. Click on the conditional column. So one more window is opened. So here you can write your new column performance status. This is my column name. So first apply your first condition. If column, what is the column name? If salary is less than or equal to, if the salary is less than or equal to 60,000, then my output is low performance. Okay. Next I am adding one more class. So in this class, so I am taking again the column, and here my operator is greater than or equal to. If the salary is greater than or equal to 70,000, so I am considering as a high performance. So this is the default output. So here I am mentioning average performance. So in between, the employees who are receiving in between 60 and 70, all are comes under average performance. And just click on OK. Now you can see 55,000 low performance, 70,000 high performance, 60,000 low performance, 58 low, 72 high. So 63, 65 average. So like this, you can apply your if-else conditions in the Power Query editor. Just you need to specify your conditions. If you want to change the conditions, you just click on this one. Okay. Again, this window is getting opened. You can change your conditions and as per your logic. Okay. So this is how you need to apply your if-else condition or case statement in Power BI using this Power Query editor and using this conditional column. You can do all these operations. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.